Alright, day 2, still in Ahmedabad. Tonight we leave for Dil, but until then, we're getting ready. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we just got ready now. But, still got a whole day ahead, and our bus to Dil leaves at 10 o'clock, so until then, we're going to be going out exploring Ahmedabad again. Let's get it. And he's dead. Yeet. Shit.
कैसा फील हुआ?
Alive. Thank you guys. What nice people. One thing that's really annoying is that as soon as I got to India, my Gorilla Pod broke. How am I supposed to take time lapses if my Gorilla Pod's broken? Ah, stupid cheap products. This is why you buy real quality stuff. That's a live elephant right there.
It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Alright, we're at our final seconds in Ahmedabad. This is our bus. We're going to take it in about 10-15 minutes, but yeah, it's going to be a long night. And we made it, guys. We're here. We're in my hometown. I haven't been here since 2009, August of 2009. And look at this, we're finally here. Oh, it's such beautiful weather as well. Can't wait to show you guys around. It's gonna be an amazing trip. Oh my days. Can't wait for the wedding either. But here we are. We're here finally. Oh, and by the way, it's my new whip. Gonna be riding around the town a lot. It's gonna be a sick time. Let's go! નમન કાકા મારે પાછું કરવું પડે છે મારું બેટરી મરી ગઈ Alright, beautiful stuff. Dad, brother Vishal getting married. The one getting married. Marge. Kalufai. Kitchen. Very nice. Go upstairs. Second bathroom. Very nice. First room. Look at that. Amazing stuff. Second room. Third room. No one is staying here yet, but it's another great view. The classic fan to keep you cold. And there's the fourth room. This is going to be our room. Look at that. Good view here. Very nice. What is that? Oh, Jesus. A lot of mirrors here, man. A lot of mirrors. Oh, the terrace. Oh my God, look at that view. Holy shit, that is so sick. This is sick, man. Got a little church over there as well. Go to that as well. And the stairs. See what's up there? So it's great views, isn't it? So this is our old balcony, right? And from my memory, I remember there was a monkey that came right on that ledge, basically kept it as a pet for a day or two. It was just sitting there doing nothing. So we're like, alright, we'll take you. These are the water things, don't know what we call them. There's that weird turtle thing again, go explore that anyway, but this is a great spot for parkour, man. Parkour! Parkour! A lot of great memories were made in this place. This is my hometown, basically my village. I lived here until I was about 7 years old, so I can remember a bit of India and a bit of the UK as well, or a lot of the UK. But my memories here are still just as fresh as they were 10 years ago, and it's amazing to come back. It's nostalgia times 100. It's amazing. There's a lot of new things, a lot of changed things. The buildings weren't as colourful as they are today. They were a bit dull. I guess they kind of added colour to it to make it seem new. But you know what? Like, consider water. So we're not too far from the water. But yeah, like a lot of great memories were made here. Yeah, look at the skies. It's beautiful. Oh, and look, we're so advanced. We have solar panels. Solar panels. That's so sick. But yeah,
it's amazing.
and I need to.
His mom cooks so good.
I need to trim a
It's
bit as well.
lit food. Alright.
Anyway, that's for another day. One of the best things about India is the street food. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff.